Hello, in front of me I've got Moza R5 Racing Simulator set. In this video I'll show you how to adjust base FFB curve. In the beginning, let's go to Moza Pithouse app and go to base settings. Go to base FFB curve and select presets between linear, S, inverted S, exponential and parabolic. Linear, the force feedback of the full section of the base corresponds equivalently to the output of the gain force feedback signal. S, weakened vibration in base force feedback in the front and tail sections. Enhanced vibrations in base force feedback in the middle section. Inverted S, enhanced vibration in the base force feedback in the front and tail section. Weakened variation in force feedback in the middle section. Exponential, weakening of the change in base force feedback in the front middle section and enhancement of the change in base force feedback in the middle and rear sections. Parabolic, enhanced change in base force feedback in the front mid section. Weakened change in the base force feedback in the mid back section. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.